I mean, we do have one greenhouse. We could set up more. We're interested in partly being here, both to be inspired by the growing practices, but also to actually see what crops
Yeah.
could be moved or grown. And
So this is definitely one of the crops that's perfect for our climate. This papaya is from Peru originally, and it tastes and smells wonderful. It's like granted way better than any papaya you got in a store. Yeah.
Really?
And is it-
Because that's the weird thing. Because
the main sensitivity is the winter frost. But like, can this
Right.
be grown outside of a
Yes.
greenhouse?
Yes. Unlike tropical papayas, they actually survive winters unless you get like super hard frost for many
Do
days.
you guys grow from seed on these?
Yeah.
Or,
Oh yeah. You can grow them from cuttings. I mean, you guys,
Yeah.
you'll see there's like cuttings on the
I've
ground.
spent
You're
a lo-
welcome to pick them on the way back.
Okay. I've spent a lot of time in South America. I actually lived and managed a nature reserve and permaculture program in Ecuador.
Yep.
And grew a lot of papayas.
Yeah.
I know there's male and female papayas.
Yeah. Depend hermaphrodites. This one actually grows mostly as hermaphrodites and females. So that's a nice thing.
Tree tomato.
Yep, that's one that we have planted 60 varieties here in the jungle.
60 varieties of
60
tree tomato.
We
varieties.
call this the jungle.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm curious. I have a question about those papayas.
Yeah.
They're in this greenhouse. Would if we decided we liked those, would we need to also have something to put them in, or how would they grow if you did?
You can just plant them outside.
You can. Okay.
Yeah.
They do better probably inside.
No, they do just fine. Actually, they do better outside, I think. Here's like some of them get like really tall and thin and don't have much fruit because it was too hot in a greenhouse.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, they like cool actually. So, yeah. So this is tree tomatoes are just insanely prolific. I mean, you can see each of them, and those are
They have
they-
60 varieties of tree tomatoes.
Yeah, there's
I'm
only
only
one
familiar with
person
a few.
taking care of the jungle, so it's little neglected in some
Right.
places. She doesn't keep up with this stuff because just so much work.
It's kind of hard.
Yeah, I mean it's impossible for one person to do it. But you see that the different shapes and sizes of tomatoes. They come in different colors, from yellow to red and striped.
Most of the experience that I've seen people eating them is that you make them into juice.
They're,
South America.
they're really good for eating fresh.
Yeah.
If you have good varieties, yeah.
If it's a good variety.
Yeah, exactly. We have lots of really tasty varieties. Look at this passion fruit. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah.
It's a beautiful one. I've never seen.
We have also lots of passion fruit varieties we planted here. Yeah, this one is this is how Frederick looks like when you plant it and you don't trim it and just grows wild. And if you find any purple ones, go for it.
This is so cool.
This is a field trip.
Well, this has been fun project. I mean, we had so much fun during pandemic too, because this was a gathering place. We had lectures every month. People were
I
coming,
wish I had known.
and we're planting, and having fun.
I
And
would've
nobody got
loved-
COVID, and everyone loved it. So. And we had people because initially we didn't have sprinklers overhead. We were just watering with hand watering. It's a lot to water.
Hand water.
And there was one dentist who was also volunteering and coming every week. And afterwards, he came and said this saved his life, literally, because he had something to do during pandemic. He was, horribly lonely and all this stuff.
Yeah.
And here had something meaningful. It kept him alive.
Yeah, that's why I said I wish I had known, because pandemic was really hard. I lost my best friend just a few weeks before the lockdown, and I was farming with him down in Moss Landing, and then I was just farming by myself. But farming saved my life. So
Yeah, that's plants do. Yeah,
I had something to do. So I had
Exactly.
plants keeping me company.
yeah.
Is this ginger?
This is actually turmeric. So this is another big crop that he was growing. There's some passion fruits on the ground. Those are the best ones are the wrinkled ones. You can see them.
Yeah, I see them.
You should taste them. They're really
Okay.
good.
There's a lot over there.
Yep. You can go around
Okay, cool.
and pick some.
So what's the current state of these plants? You're gonna they need to be. They're kind of like. Is it valid
Well,
to dig up an old plant? Is that the idea?
Most of
Or,
them,
like-
most of them would die. So
Yeah, it's better to
we
start
want
with younger
our
plants, right?
our goal is to basically finish planting this jungle.
Right.
Our goal is to finish as a group is to finish planting a jungle. So it's a tourist attraction. There's already workshops, permaculture workshops, and other things happening here. So either Dave gets funding and figures out how to continue, or he sells it, and whoever buys it will appreciate the jungle and say, it's a value to community. We can also make money by doing tours and other things, right?
Sure. There's so much growing space in here too.
Yeah, yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Full beds.
So much growing space.
Great.
Yeah.
Soil looks, I mean, looks
And
pretty-
soil's really good. It's been amended for years. You know, you just add water and everything grows really well.
Yeah.
So, yep. So you can see a little bit of a side of the jungle, and some of the other fruits which are interesting is this one, sunberry. You can see the flowers here. It's a new fruit that was introduced. That was
Sunberry.
it was only
It's
this.
related to the in the nicotine family.
It is yes.
Solanaceae.
It is related to tomatoes, potatoes, and it's only was discovered in Brazil in 2008.
What?
And we were the first ones to grow and fruit it in America.
Will you say that one more time?
Sunberry. We were the first ones to grow it in America. And the fruits are yellow with tiny black seeds, and they taste and smell amazing. And they grow outside too. I have them in my garden, they're fruiting right now. Treating outside grows also to like 20, 30 feet. An amazing taste. The juice we make from it, it's mind-blowingly good.
That's some sort of salvia. It's in the mint family.
Close. This is used in Mexico to make food wraps. I think it might be Hoya Sancta.
It's not?
I confuse the two. There's like two plants which are similar.
one.
Those are
Look at the
thorns from the sunberry.
I see,
What?
thorny.
Very like
Yeah, that's
a rose. Yep.
Lamiaceae.
It's not square.
It smells.
is.
Kinda.
See, I'm blanking out on ID on that one, but I think it might be Hoya Sancta.
Hoya-san.
Yeah.
It smells so good.
Amazing.
Because you make food wraps with it.
What do you make?
Food wraps. You know, like instead of using taco shell, you use this, the leaves.
That would be so yummy.
I mean, that's what it's used in Mexico. This is an interesting plant. This is a ground cover, the kind of spread here.
Yeah.
It's a plant from Argentina that produces fruits that look like grapes. But and they were supposed to taste like pears dipped in honey.
What?
But they taste weird, like plastic or something.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if you can, but if you find any, this one. It's a ground cover, you know, also climbs. I mean, it looks beautiful. The tiny flowers looking, you know, like lily of the valley. A nice ground cover, but fruits just don't taste very good. That's a perennial tomato. I mean, look how gorgeous the flowers are. It also grows like crazy, has hardly any fruits. And fruits are like,
Perennial tomato.
yeah, it's a survive winter outside just fine.
They have so many.
Yeah.
Look at this. Here's lemon guava.
Yeah, lemon or strawberry guava.
It's gonna be growing there.
Oh, actually lemon, because you can see little yellow fruit, so
Lemon.
you can pick it. Yeah,
Ready?
Well, it gets a lot bigger.
good varieties can be as big as apples. Yeah,
Already.
yeah, this
Not
one
like
wasn't, because this is, you know, like from broken branch, so it's not really properly ripened, if you will.
We're not gonna be able to.
So you guys can just venture into the jungle, and
Yeah, venture
I'll
into the
follow you.
jungle.
Yeah,
Yeah, we would have to come back to get it real.
I guess the main question here is because we're interested in growing subtropicals and there's a dog there,
and that's my dog. He knows this place.
I heard him.
and kind of could use some of your guidance on what do you think. We're right in front of the ocean,
Yeah.
and we have some ample space to expand. And
If I would try with Pepino Dolce, I'll show you
I
can
know
taste
Pepino
them.
Dulce. Yeah, I'd
Yeah.
love to get some of that.
Yeah, so you can get cuttings here. So.
Maybe
Yeah.
some, yeah.
And we have some of the best varieties. You know, some of the best unfortunately died because it's not watered in that section at all right
How
now.
long did it take for these trees to
They're
grow?
like 5 years old.
Man, they look older.
I know,
They're
yeah.
very mature for their
Yeah,
age.
they're papayas. Yeah, they grow fast.
He said these trees are like 5 years old.
Because we planted them in 2020. May 2020 we
These ones.
started. Yeah.
That's how fast they go.
Part of the jungle.
We're in the jungle.
That's cool. There's pigs in here, and
Have you seen before the oak leaf papayas? That's it. Have you seen? Come guys and have a look at this tree. It's pretty
Okay.
cool. You know this? Do you know this tree, cherimoya?
Oh, I love cherimoya.
Cherimoya's
yeah, I
fruit
know
is-
Jeremiah.
Yeah,
I
and
love
what's
cherimoya.
difficult about cherimoyas is
Jeremiah.
they require a special pollinator. Otherwise, they're hand pollinated. That's why they're so expensive. But we're lucky; they're little beetles that do the job. We didn't have time to hand pollinate them here, and you can see there's a bunch of fruits on the tree.
Wow.
But look at this tree. Look at all those fruits here.
Yeah.
Those are oak leaf papayas. They don't grow much bigger, and they're like candy when they ripen. They're orange, and you just pop the whole thing in your mouth.
Almost reminds me of like a date.
Jeremy Richards.
Like, 'cause they're like candy.
Yeah.
Little guys.
Yeah. We planted lots of banana varieties, as you can see.
You're saying the beetles pollinated these?
Yeah, the fruit beetles that pollinate cherimoyas. So, it's a really cool fruit. And there's just so many hybrids and varieties of ananas now. I mean, it's just insane. So we're planning to also graft them to use that as a rootstock.
Oh, I love chamoya.
Was
That's
this
a thorny
Suriname-
one.
Suriname
No.
cherry? No.
No, this one's one with big thorns. It's a K apple. It's used in Africa to guard from lions. I mean, look at the thorns. And this is pretty scary thorns.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so
Or
they
a toothpick.
People make like domes. When I was watch this show, and they would make domes out of it.
lions expect that, yeah. So maybe we can go this way. So
Okay, we're going this way.
some places it's still raining, so you can avoid that. Go around. See, mangoes were experiments. They fruited
Yeah.
here, but they require a little more light.
Mangoes.
Yes, they require a
Yeah.
little more light and
They're a
lots of
little-
water. Yep. So they're surviving here, but they would do better if they had a little more light.
Yeah, it would more.
That's funny. I know, it is. It totally feels like a jungle. It is a jungle.
Yeah. You can get wet and dirty. That's the only downside.
We do that a lot.
So again, I don't know how much time you have, but
Yeah, we all have our work. I have it.
so this is another cool fruit. I don't know if you heard of rose apples.
Rose apples.
It's a fruit that tastes like roses smell. It's just mind-blowing experience. It is like, wow, what just happened? So we planted a lot of those.
And how big do they get? Like this
You
big?
can. There are bigger ones here. They grow to like about this big.
Okay. And and is there like
Rose apple.
center
It has a
Or-
big seed inside
big seed?
and the empty space around it.
Okay.
Oh, there's is this Chilean guava?
No, this one is the rose apple.
No, sorry, this next one.
Which one? Oh, this is actually no. It's actually a blueberry guava. Try some. There's some ripe fruit.
Blueberry guava.
Yeah, they grow all over town too as hedges. Believe it or not, in Santa Cruz. What do you think?
They're delicious.
Oh wow. They taste like a blueberry.
Like blueberries, yeah.
But
Little
They
blueberry
have
guava.
little aftertaste.
Yeah, a
like,
little bit floral
yeah, and like-
aftertaste.
or like resinous. It's. But-
Oh, I guess I taste that now.
But you can grow it as a hedge, literally. In Santa Cruz. So if we have little time, let me show you this cool banana here. It's a Namwa variety because we have lots of different banana varieties. We're trying to grow the dwarf ones so they don't go through the roof. Some of them went through the roof anyway. But look at this banana here. It's a perfect size for the greenhouse. Doesn't grow too tall. And look at that bunch of
Look at
bananas.
the bananas.
Doesn't it look cool?
I feel like I'm in San
Oh,
Diego.
wow. That's crazy. That's crazy how they just grow over like that.
Yep. So let's go to the end and then we'll go to other greenhouses.
Here's some kind of.
Let's figure out.
Yeah.
It doesn't also have to be in a greenhouse, but we planted
Right.
variety of good varieties. Yeah, we have like white sapotes here, which also don't have to
White
grow.
sapote.
Yeah, they don't have to grow.
One of those at my house, actually, on the west side.
You do?
Cool.
It's fruiting.
Yeah,
For the
very,
last couple of years.
very cool. There's a big one at USC Farm.
Freddie Mann gave it to me.
Yeah. This is star fruit. It's star cherry.
Oh no way.
Star cherry. It's fruits that look like star fruit, but just smaller. Like
Ah,
like
That
plums.
probably needs to be in a greenhouse.
And no, they actually survive outdoors too fine. I mean, most of the stuff here actually can survive outdoors. Because it's not heated here either. So, it survived multiple winters when temperature here dropped to freezing practically. Most because we planted way more than survives. I would say 70% died.
oh really?
Yeah, so like most tropical things died. This is curry leaf plant, this one. Are you guys familiar with that?
Carob?
Curry, kind of like what Indians use for curries. Smell break a leaf and smell it. It also has edible fruits. You can see the fruits here, but smell the leaf. It's like ready-made curry sauce.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't it?
Interesting.
Whoa.
Pretty intense. And so Indians prefer that to powder, obviously.
Yeah.
You just get fresh, fresh leaves.
Wow. This is so fun.
Yeah, we're doing it fast, so I don't have time to show you every single plant, but you get sense at least of what's growing here. Just have to be careful not to trip on anything. The wire's hanging.
Insane. What was this initially built for?
I think they had roses here before.
Roses, huh?
Yeah. This is lulo. It's another cool plant from South America with beautiful leaves. Do you know this plant behind here?
Macadamia.
Yeah, exactly.
No way.
Wow, you know you're.
This one grows a lot in South America.
Yeah, lulo. And there's many varieties of it
Right.
too.
Or in Ecuador they call it naranjilla.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? The
Yep.
big orange.
Little orange.
Yeah. And thorny, oftentimes used for juices as well.
So if you try that, the sunberry tastes like combination of that and the golden berry,
Wow.
and it's better.
This, you think greenhouse? Look at the
They
leaf.
grow outside. You know.
Yeah.
I have them outside and just
Naranjilla
define.
in South America, you get juice all the time.
But I'm after trying sunberry, I would rather grow sunberry.
Yeah?
They look. I grow lulus mostly for looks because it looks just stunning. You know, the leaves are just amazing. All right, so let's go to the other greenhouse.
You do.